When using a two-piece plain wing ridge, it is recommended to use a universal ridge roll to maintain ventilation through the corrugation voids, whilst also closing off the ridge to pests and debris. Secure this to the sheets on either side of the ridge along the full length of the building, ensuring a close fit. Install the small roll of the ridge first, positioning so that the overlaps of the ridge align with the overlaps of the sheeting, and the fixing hits the centre of the purlin but is a minimum 100mm up from the bottom of the wing section of the ridge. Fix at both ends in the same corrugation as you would of the sheeting. Continue with the small roll sections along the length of the building. The large roll sections of the two-piece ridge can then be installed in the same way on the opposite slope, over the top of the small rolls. At the overlaps, ensure the socketed sections fit neatly together for a good, close fit before fixing, and finish with a suitable finial.